Analysis is one of the most sought-after skill in the 21st century. However, majority of the people are confused with the area of data analysis to venture into. In this video, I will be showing you the different type of data analyses and their differences. After the video, you should be able to choose the area of data analysis you will love to practice. Number 1 is business analysis. Business analysis involves examining an organization's structure, processes, systems, and functions to identify areas for improvement. It aims to align business objectives with solutions and often includes activities such as requirements gathering, process modeling, and feasibility studies. The goal is to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of business operations. Number 2 is research analysis. Research analysis is a process of examining data collected through research methods. It involves interpreting and drawing insights from research findings. This type of analysis is common in academic, scientific, or market research and includes statistical analysis, qualitative coding, and interpretation of results to answer research questions or test hypotheses. Number 3 is monitoring and evaluation. M&E analysis is part of a systematic process to track and assess the progress, effectiveness, and outcomes of projects, programs, or policies. It involves ongoing monitoring of activities and periodic evaluation to determine if objectives are being met. Analysis in M&E focuses on assessing the impact, efficiency, relevance, and sustainability of interventions. Number 4 is data management. Data management involves the acquisition, storage, processing, and retrieval of data in a secure and organized manner. It includes activities such as data collection, cleaning, transformation, storage, and ensuring data quality. Effective data management is crucial for accurate and reliable analysis. The differences between business analysis, research analysis, monitoring and evaluation, and data management can be measured using focus and purpose, context, timeframe, data type, among others. In terms of purpose and focus, 1. Business analysis focuses on improving business processes and operations. 2. Research analysis aims to interpret findings from research studies to generate insights. 3. M&E analysis assesses the impact and effectiveness of projects or programs. 4. Data management involves organizing and maintaining data for various purposes. In terms of context, 1. Business analysis is often conducted within a specific organizational context. 2. Research analysis is typically associated with academic, scientific, or market research. 3. M&E analysis is embedded in the context of monitoring and evaluating projects or programs. 4. Data management is a fundamental aspect across various domains. In terms of time frame, 1. Business analysis can be ongoing but often has a focus on improving immediate and future operations. 2. Research analysis occurs after data collection and is tied to the research timeline. 3. M&E analysis occurs periodically during and after project implementation. 4. Data management is an ongoing process throughout the data lifecycle. In terms of data type, 1. Business analysis may involve a variety of data related to organizational processes. 2. Research analysis deals with data collected through specific research methodologies. 3. M&E analysis utilizes data collected during monitoring and evaluation activities. 4. Data management handles diverse types of data across different contexts. In summary, sequel to the different types of data analysis, different software are adopted in the analyses for better precision and accuracy. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and share.